Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Wera 2023 Advent Calendar, which is fun and a unique gift for any DIYer. So Wera Tools, hopefully I pronounced that properly, and if not, please correct me in the comment section below, is a popular tool manufacturer located in Germany. Founded in 1936, Wera Tools is known for its slogan, "Be a Tool Rebel," which can be found on the packaging of many of their products. Last year, I was introduced to their 2022 Advent Calendar and knew I had to get another one this year. So we'll have some fun over the month of December by opening a new part of the kit to reveal a tool. First, the Advent Calendar has to be removed from this sleeve. It also has a convenient stand at the back of the box. Now let's see what's in the first part as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. Keeping in mind the purpose of the Advent calendar is to add a piece each day so we could gauge our progress towards Christmas Day. So we're starting off with 4 Velcro strips and what's easily a saddle or a holster for our upcoming tools, which we'll be revealing one by one as we lead up to Christmas. And don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 2. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.